Happy Monday, guys. I just wanted to shoot this quick video to let you know about some email changes, right? So if you have a business, if you run a business in California, right? Or if you have recipients who reside in California, then if you send them email marketing communications, then this new amendment to this California legislation is going to affect you, okay? Now, truth be told, I haven't actually gone through the entire amendment. I have no idea. All I know is that it was released on Friday, and apparently there's been quite an uproar in the community, okay? And rightly so. Apparently it seems like they're really trying to restrict. Now already California already has some very restrictive email laws, but you know, still very doable and very workable. Now, I don't have any details on this so far because I haven't had a chance to go through the 10-page document, but this is definitely going to affect anyone, okay? So e-commerce, okay? If you run an e-commerce store, this affects you, okay? Because you send commercial emails, okay? Anything that involves trying to sell something is a commercial email. So you have to be very cautious of that. So if you have an e-com, info products, whatever it is, if you send to users in California, then this directly affects you, okay? So take a look at the amendment. I'm gonna post the link to it. I'm gonna try my best to find out some more information this week, guys, so I can prepare you for this, or if we need to lobby and fight against it, you know, I'll let you guys know what we need to do to work together as a community. But I wanted to let you guys know, I'm letting my Email Maverick community know as well. So, and we're gonna try to work together to really resolve this issue. But just wanted to let you guys know, all right? And if you have any questions, concerns, you guys know where to reach me. Email Maverick group, join it today, all right? Bye.